Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on adjusting video settings for the HP Victus 16. In this tutorial, we will cover everything from basic adjustments to advanced configurations to enhance your gaming experience. First, let's start by accessing the video settings. Turn on your HP Victus 16 and right-click on the desktop. Select Display Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find options to adjust your resolution and orientation. For optimal performance, set your resolution to the native setting of 1920 by 1080. Next, we'll delve into the graphics settings. Open the NVIDIA control panel by right-clicking on your desktop and choosing it from the list. Once inside, navigate to Manage 3D Settings. Here, you can adjust various settings to optimize performance. Make sure Power Management Mode is set to prefer maximum performance. This setting will ensure that your laptop runs at peak performance during gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about refresh rates. In the same NVIDIA control panel, under Change Resolution, select the highest refresh rate available for your display, usually 144 Hz. Higher refresh rates provide smoother gameplay, which is crucial for gaming. For those who may not have the necessary tools or experience to perform these adjustments, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in optimizing your device without the hassle. Moving forward, let's clean the internal components of your laptop. This is essential, as dust buildup can affect performance. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap. Begin by unscrewing the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 8 to 10 screws. Keep them organized so you can easily replace them later. Once you've removed the back panel, take a moment to inspect the internals. Use the compressed air to gently blow out dust from the fans and heat sinks. This process will help maintain cooling efficiency. If you're unsure about opening your laptop or would prefer not to, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. You can relax while we handle the work for you, ensuring your HP Victus 16 remains in top shape. After cleaning, carefully reattach the back panel. Make sure all screws are tightened securely but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the casing. Now, let's power on your laptop and check the video settings one last time. Return to the display settings to confirm that everything is set as intended. Play a game or watch a video to see if the changes have positively impacted your experience. If you're still facing issues, remember, you can always reach out for a quote before repair. In summary, adjusting the video settings on your HP Victus 16 involves accessing display settings, optimizing graphics through the NVIDIA control panel, and maintaining internal cleanliness. With the right adjustments, you can significantly enhance your gaming and viewing experience. Now you're all set to enjoy your HP Victus 16 to the fullest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.